what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can see, I'm bringing you guys some new hair. This is a 22-inch natural wave lace front wig from DYHAIR777. I will have all of the specs, links, and information on this wig linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. In this video, I'm basically going to be doing an unboxing, show and tell. I'm going to show you guys how I installed this wig and then do a little bit of a review and show you guys a little bit more of the hair and wig up close. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Be sure to also check the description box down below for my Instagram, my social media, my other YouTube channels, as well as any other like promo codes or coupon codes that I may have with any other company. But without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump on into it. So I'm gonna jump right into the unboxing. Again, this wig is from DYHAIR777. The wig came in this little bag instead of like a box, and it's kind of just like a little drawstring linen lightweight canvas bag. I realized when I opened the drawstring that it also doubles as like an actual little mini tote bag, which is also really cute. And then the hair was in a separate little satin bag as well. They also included a pair of eyelashes as well as a little pamphlet that just kind of gives you some hair care tips and other information. The wig was also wrapped in a separate little hairnet, and it also had the white standard like tissue paper inside to help keep its shape. And then there also was another little tag that just said 22 inches, and it also said that the hair was Malaysian. As you can see, there is lace ear to ear. It is a lace front, but there's less lace on the sides, kind of where the ear is, and there's more lace and deeper parting space towards the center of the cap. There's normal wefts throughout the rest of the cap, and then there is a little bit of lace in the back. There are 3 combs as well as an adjustable strap in the back and another comb in the back as well. And then this wig did come with like baby hairs already kind of pre-made. The knots were not bleached, but the lace is really transparent and really in good condition. And when I held it just up to my skin, it looked pretty natural off the bat. So I didn't go ahead and bleach the knots. I did just like install this wig straight out of the package. So like I mentioned, this wig is in the texture natural wave, and as you guys can see, it has this beautiful like loose wave pattern to it, which is really, really nice. And I am here in Hawaii now, and I feel like it definitely goes with the vibe. So I did install this wig as a full lace front wig. I did glue it down, and I didn't leave any of my hair out. I am gonna go ahead and use the Ghost Bond Supreme glue, but to prep my hair underneath, I just slicked my hair back and I kind of braided my ends. As you guys can see, in these 2 separate little braids, which I'm just gonna like push to the side and try to lay it as flat as possible. I did go ahead and put on a wig cap just to hold, honestly, the braids into place. It's kind of just protecting my hair and holding the braids a little bit flatter. Before I do glue on the wig, I like to make sure that the lace is actually going to fit my hairline. So I like to try on the wig and just make sure that the distance from ear to ear is actually fits my hairline and looks natural. So this one was a little bit too long, and being that the parting space is deeper in the center and I probably was going to be doing a side part, I actually tilted the wig cap to the side and I went with one of the natural already existing parts, and then I kind of just cut the other side to fit my hairline. As you guys can see, don't be afraid to do this, just be sure to part it carefully and take your time when parting. And then I actually cut the lace off of my head. I don't do it while it's actually on my head, so that I can cut it directly in the part and not really create too much extra shedding. There are other tutorials on YouTube, and I'll also link like a more in-depth video that I've done down below as well, but I'm just gonna quickly show you installing this wig. So again, I'm using the Ghost Bond Supreme glue, and I am gonna be putting 3 layers of this, so I'm just gonna be dotting it from the center down to each side of the ear. And once I was on my 3rd layer of glue and it was almost all the way clear, I did go ahead and just apply the wig and start at the center and really just press it into place and just slowly press it all the way down ear to ear. And then I did go ahead and apply a scarf to help let this just sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I then wanted to add some baby hairs, so I kind of took the pre-existing baby hairs, but they were a little bit long, so I ended up cutting them, as you can see, to kind of just shape and fit my hair how I prefer. So I just took this little edge toothbrush that I use to do my baby hairs, and I just started swooping the baby hairs with some water to kind of shape them. And then once I got them in the shape that I wanted, I cut them so that They weren't too long or too thick, and then I'm gonna be using the Got2b glue to hold these into place. Baby hairs are definitely an optional step, but I do these no matter what hairstyle I'm wearing, whether I wear wigs or my natural hair, so this is always a step that I cannot miss. And then again, I applied the scarf and just let this kind of set into place a little bit more, and I did go ahead and just kind of add some water to my fingers and ran it through the hair to kind of just define the curls and help the curls and waves pop a little bit more. And then I am gonna go ahead and add some layers just basically around the hairline in the front of the hair. I did go ahead and just add some rough layers in with the scissors and just kind of layered it a little bit to add some more shape around the front of the hair. And my camera did cut off on that part, but that was basically all I did to get this wig styled and installed, and I'm really happy with the result. The wave pattern is extremely beautiful, and it's so effortless and just really, really pretty. And for 22 inches, this hair is really long. I'm gonna turn around and show you. I don't know if you guys can see, but it comes all the way down basically to my waistline, which is really long for 22 inches, I think. And in the front, yeah, I'm like sitting on my tippy toes, but it comes like to belly button length, as you can see. And I'm gonna get a little bit closer and show you like the wave and curl pattern a little better. And if you see it's like a little bit frizzy, that's just because I run my fingers through the hair a ton. But even with doing that, the hair is not getting like really frizzy or losing its actual like wave pattern. It still stays really defined, and it is really soft, and it's still like moving around and flowing and everything. I've had this wig installed for about 3 days now, and it's still like looking super fresh, just as if I just installed it, and it's behaving just the exact same. I will say that you definitely could make this wig look more natural if you did go ahead and like bleach the knots or add like some more powder to the hairline. That's one step that I did go ahead and miss. I think I am gonna go ahead and add some to make it look more natural, but again, I love to just come on and install these wigs like straight out of the bat to share it with you guys and show you guys, you know, if you're at home and you buy this wig and you're installing it at home, like what it's actually going to look like. But again, you can always tweak it a little bit more and do additional steps to make it look more natural for you and to just make it look a little more to your liking. But as you guys can see, straight out of the package and just freshly installed, this wig does look really, really good. Also, the ends of the hair are nice and thick, like the hair doesn't thin out. It stays thick like basically all the way to the very ends, and then it kind of just naturally thins out as any hair would, which is really nice. And the hair is really, really, really soft and has like a lot of movement to it. I will say the only thing I am experiencing is a little bit of shedding when I'm kind of manipulating the hair, like in the morning, adding some water to it and like really running my fingers through the hair. I do experience a little bit of shedding, but nothing too crazy, not anything that's like unmanageable or throughout the day that's like a problem. But I did want to just go ahead and mention that. I'm really happy with this hair and with this wig. I don't really have many cons to share with you guys. I really like love this style, and I think I'm gonna be wearing this wig for a while now because I forgot how much I love like long wavy hair. It's so easy and low maintenance, and it's kind of like you can mess up the hair, mess with it, and it still looks so beautiful and like effortless. But you can also, you know, do different styles with it or keep it more sleek and put together, and it still works as well. So I definitely love this texture and this style. I'm like so excited about it and so happy with it. It's been so low maintenance and just been looking really, really beautiful. So yeah guys, that is basically it. That is my unboxing, my initial install, and a little quick review and show and tell for you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below of this hair, and if you guys have any other questions or concerns, also let me know in the comments down below. If you guys want to see me style this wig or do any other videos with this hair, this wig in particular, also be sure to let me know. And also I'm going to be posting a lot more like fashion and kind of style related content, getting back into more like lookbooks and outfit of the weeks and things like that. So if you guys have any videos in particular that are like fashion or style related that you guys really enjoy, be sure to let me know so that I can create more of those for you as well. And if you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.